Turning salvaged live-edge reclaimed wood scrap offcuts into minimalist floating bedside nightstands with integrated lighting begins with an appreciation for the quiet drama already embedded within the wood. Reclaimed wood scrap, especially when cut to preserve its natural edge, carries a rugged poetry in its grain patterns, knots, and subtle undulations. These offcuts, often dismissed as remnants from larger slabs or furniture builds, contain the same structural integrity and visual richness as their more celebrated counterparts. The difference lies only in perception and scale. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. By choosing to see these fragments not as leftovers, but as concentrated expressions of organic beauty, we unlock the potential to craft high-end minimalist nightstands that feel both grounded in nature and refined for contemporary living. This transformation proves that salvaged timber holds untapped luxury, waiting to be shaped with intention and elevated through thoughtful design. The process begins with careful selection and stabilization of the reclaimed wood scrap offcuts. Live-edge pieces vary in thickness and contour, so each board must be evaluated for structural soundness, checking for cracks that may need filling or reinforcement. Rather than trimming away the organic edge to achieve symmetry, we preserve it as the defining feature, allowing the natural silhouette to contrast with the clean geometry of minimalist design. Flattening the top surface through precise planing ensures a stable platform while maintaining the raw edge along the front or side, creating a subtle interplay between refinement and wilderness. Sanding becomes an act of revelation, gradually uncovering the intricate grain patterns hidden beneath weathered surfaces. As coarse grit transitions to finer abrasives, the reclaimed wood scrap begins to glow softly, its textures becoming tactile and inviting. Minimalism demands restraint, so shaping the nightstand involves disciplined proportions and clean lines. The floating design eliminates bulky legs, allowing the reclaimed wood scrap slab to appear suspended against the wall, an architectural gesture that enhances modern interiors. By squaring the back edge and trimming sides only where necessary for balance, we create a form that feels intentional without erasing the wood's organic identity. The underside can be subtly chamfered to lighten the visual weight, reinforcing the illusion of levitation. This contrast between rugged live edge and precise geometry embodies the essence of eco-luxury, where authenticity and sophistication coexist harmoniously. Mounting the nightstand securely requires hidden brackets or a French cleat system embedded discreetly within routed channels. Strength and stability are paramount, particularly when dealing with dense hardwood like reclaimed wood scrap. Reinforcing the mounting points ensures the floating structure can bear everyday essentials while maintaining its minimalist silhouette. The absence of visible hardware enhances the clean aesthetic, allowing the wood itself to command attention. Once installed, the piece appears effortlessly anchored, merging seamlessly with the wall while preserving its sculptural presence. Integrating hidden light strips introduces a contemporary dimension that elevates the nightstand from simple furniture to functional art. By routing a shallow channel beneath the slab's underside, we create space for warm-toned light lighting that remains concealed from direct view. When illuminated, the light washes gently across the wall below, casting a soft architectural glow that accentuates both the live edge and the floating effect. This ambient lighting transforms the nightstand into a luminous feature, adding depth and atmosphere to the bedroom. The organic contours of the reclaimed wood scrap subtly diffuse the light, creating delicate shadow patterns that shift with perspective. This blending of natural texture and sleek technology epitomizes modern design's ability to harmonize tradition and innovation. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Finishing the reclaimed wood scrap requires a balance between protection and authenticity. A matte hard wax oil or natural finish enhances the grain without introducing artificial gloss, preserving the tactile warmth that makes live edge wood so compelling. The finish deepens the reclaimed wood scrap's golden tones, highlighting growth rings and subtle variations that speak to its history. In some cases, filling small cracks with clear or dark resin stabilizes imperfections while adding visual intrigue, reinforcing the narrative of transformation. The final surface feels smooth yet organic, refined yet honest. This project bridges the gap between workshop scrap and profitable, sustainable furniture pieces by demonstrating that luxury arises from craftsmanship rather than excess. Live-edge reclaimed wood scrap slabs often command high prices in the market, yet offcuts are frequently undervalued. By reimagining these fragments as minimalist floating nightstands, we extract maximum value from limited material. The addition of integrated lighting further enhances perceived worth, positioning the piece within a premium category. Buyers seeking modern eco-luxury appreciate the fusion of sustainability, artistry, and practical functionality. The narrative of salvaged timber transformed into illuminated bedside furniture resonates deeply with those who value mindful consumption. Beyond financial potential, the emotional resonance of such a piece enriches any modern bedroom. The nightstand becomes more than a surface for books or a lamp. It becomes a conversation between nature and architecture. The raw edge preserves the memory of the tree's original form, grounding the space in authenticity. Meanwhile, the floating design and concealite lighting introduce sleek modernity, reflecting contemporary sensibilities. Together, these elements create a harmonious balance that defines eco-luxury living. Working with salvaged reclaimed wood scrap also underscores the importance of sustainability in design. Each offcut repurposed into a functional object represents material diverted from waste. In an era where mass production often prioritizes speed over stewardship, crafting with reclaimed timber embodies a slower, more intentional philosophy. It acknowledges the resources already harvested and honors them by extending their lifespan. This respect for material integrity aligns seamlessly with minimalist principles, which value quality over quantity and permanence over disposability. The integration of lighting enhances not only aesthetic appeal, but also usability. Soft underglow illumination can serve as a subtle nightlight, guiding movement without harsh brightness. It adds warmth and intimacy, transforming the bedroom into a sanctuary. By embedding technology discreetly, we ensure the focus remains on the wood's organic beauty. The interplay of light and grain creates a dynamic visual experience, elevating the piece beyond static furniture into interactive design. Ultimately, turning salvaged live-edge reclaimed wood scrap offcuts into minimalist floating bedside nightstands with lighting exemplifies the transformative power of thoughtful craftsmanship. What begins as rugged scrap becomes a refined expression of modern eco-luxury. Through careful shaping, secure mounting, and subtle illumination, the raw character of reclaimed wood scrap is preserved while elevated to high-end functionality. This project proves that sustainability and sophistication are not opposing ideals, but complementary forces. By bridging workshop remnants and contemporary design aspirations, we create furniture that feels intentional, atmospheric, and enduring. In doing so, we redefine the value of salvaged timber, revealing that even the smallest offcuts can anchor a space with warmth, elegance, and luminous serenity. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.